Take the cover off. Sometimes your cover won't come off because it's already had oil in it. A hammer and punch or hammer and chisel will do you a lot of good. Take your O-ring back off. From here, I like to start looking at things. You're going to look for wear marks on the thrust washer here. Make sure if there's a lot of wear on it, it means you got thrusting one way or the other. So that's one of the first things you want to look at. Make sure you ain't got thrust in there. You're going to look at your input gear. See how worn it is. Look down in the grooves, down at your line of action. Make sure that it's not pitted or getting smoky in color. Or missing teeth, chipped teeth, all the good stuff. Same with your carriers. You want to look at your teeth on here. See how they look. Make sure you ain't got none missing, none chipped, none broke. Got another thrust washer between your primary and your secondary. Look at that. Look for the same thing, just thrust issues. Sun gear, same thing. You want to look for anything out of the that's not normal in there. Pitting. What else are you going to see in there?
Yeah, chips. Uneven wear.
Yeah, you will be able to tell if it gets hot by the different colors. Anything from straw to dark purple. So, alright. Take your ring gear off. Secondary carrier. Same thing, look at your gears. Your O-ring on your 50 units, you will have to replace your O-rings when you tear it apart. You should replace your O-rings, and if you press off the seal, you got to replace the seal also. Spin and then slow down on its own, all the way around. You'll be able to tell if the bearing's bad because it won't move usually. Do that on your primary and your secondary. The best thing I've found so far for a 50 unit to tear these apart is what we call a heel bar. You stick it under there, and then you start hitting at it. This is all written in the manual as well. And take your split rings out. Should have a couple shims in here. That all depends on how tight the load is, how loose the load is. That's how we control the loaders with our shims. So a lot of times for real light application, we won't have any shims in there. Your loading locks will only go in one way. They have a little ridge down here at the bottom that you can feel, which will mate up into here, into the bottom of this, and that's what locks it down. I've seen these come back with these little things broke, but this is still in here, so the shaft won't come out. I've never seen the shaft come out with this in there. So those are a good idea.
Hold that half ring up against the camera again. I'm not here to show you what it goes down.
Goes down this way with the ridge down. Okay. Ridge right here down. Yep. Basically, what you can do after you take your locking load out, press it out.
First plug it in.
Yeah. All right, let's try it again. Take two. Ready?
Yep.
Once you get the shaft out, look at your bearings, spin them around a couple times, make sure there's no chunks in it. You also want to look at your bearing cups. Bearing cups in here. You want to look at them, make sure they're not Burnell, which is when you get like a side load, it'll actually dent your cups in here. Dent these cups here. You want to wipe it off. You can also see if it's wearing on one side, more on the other. That's usually a side load. This one here. Right here. Yeah. It's going to damage your seal, and your seal's trash. So you have to replace the seal. That's pretty much what we got. Doing an inspection on your seal journal, bearing journal. Make sure there ain't no scratches. On the seal journal, the ones that go up and down, the scratch, are going to be your most problem. If it's deep enough, then your seal won't seal it up, and it's going to leak. So.